Happy birthday, 18 Nene.
Happy 18th birthday, Nene. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go.
Happy birthday.
Ano ga?
Happy birthday.
Happy 18th
Happy
birthday.
18. Oo nga pala.
And then you switch up with no warning, and you kiss me like you want it. How rude, how rude. But I kinda
Happy 18th birthday, Nene.
I don't mind if this is gonna take a million days.
Happy 18th birthday, Arisha. We love you.
Happy birthday, Ate Nene. Yay!
Happy birthday, Ate Neneng. Love you.
Happy 18th birthday, Arisha. We wish you all the best. We love you.
Ice cream, taking off your blue jeans, dancing at the movies, 'cause it feels so mystical, magical, oh baby, 'cause once you know my love is so mystical, magical, oh baby, 'cause once you know my love is so mystical, magical, oh baby, 'cause once you know my love is so mystical, magical, oh baby, 'cause once you know my love is so
Tapos, at matupad ang pangarap, palaging nakikinig kay mami at daddy. Yun lang. I love you, Nene.
Sana maging successful ka in the future and always be kind and love your parents. God bless you. Happy birthday.
oh baby, 'cause once you know my little heart to give, baby, I wanna give you the world. Say you gotta chase me, but I wouldn't mind it if you give me just a little baby. But all you do is push me out. But I like it anyways, 'cause I think
I'm wishing that you will finish your study and you will fulfill what you dreams. Okay?
Hi Nene, happy birthday. Wish ko lang is sana matupad mo lahat ng pangarap mo, mag-aral mabuti, and more birthdays to come.
like nothing else will feel right. You can feel like moonbeam ice cream, taking off your blue jeans, dancing at the movies, 'cause it feels so mystical, magical, oh baby, 'cause once you know my love is so mystical.
Nene, mahal na mahal kita. Maraming salamat. Maraming salamat kasi napakabait mo, napakasipag mag-aral, napakabait kay Boy Boy. Thank you. Mahal na mahal ka namin.